Hey guys, how are you? So this is part two of Nehanda in real life, and I just want you to kind of take a look at, not, see, this is me in real life, unedited. My hair is like, anyways. So we're gonna take a glance around the apartment, and it is, I think it's 180 square meters with the balcony included. I am not sure. It's a really big place. Anyways, so this is Nehanda in real life, guys. This is all the recycling and food and bio garbage and stove top. Another panoramic. You have the dishwasher that's gonna get turned on and loaded. This is our new refrigerator. This is our toast breakfast section. And I just made a nice little space because I like to sit here and have coffee. We removed the refrigerator from here and just, had a little, we replaced it with a breakfast section there. Yeah. Well, yeah, this is, and then I got a package. So I asked my husband if I could open it, and he hasn't answered me yet. So he said that I was supposed to have a package today for Christmas. I have to open it Christmas Day. So yeah, that's the package, and this is how my kitchen table usually looks. Dining room table usually looks. And then this is the play area. Apollonia has like a really big play area here that is like always a mess. Ja, das ist nicht für dich. Ja, Papa muss das offen machen, nicht dich. Yeah, and then she's still trying to get it, but it's not going to happen today. And so I just, as I had showed you guys before, I put up some Christmas decorations. As TV that's on, not interesting anymore. Apollonia moved from her play section to here as her play section. I guess it's warmer here. I don't know. We'll have to figure something out. So she started eating the onions, dude, as chips, roasted onions. She really loves it. Ja, gleich. Moment, ich muss diese auch schauen. This is our bookshelf. Books that we don't read, books that we do read. See, like, what is that? Like, why do you have your contact lens in the living room? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I had to go get the baby some chips. Oh my gosh. And she just like moved this this chair. And my daughter's gonna get like super pissed when I show her bedroom. Look at that. Like, oh my gosh. This is a nightmare, guys. This is like, yeah. There's like, I don't know what's clean and what's dirty, so I'm waiting for her to come home so she could tell me. Surprisingly, the cleanest place at the moment. Holy shit! I just put these clothes down to start the laundry. So I started to gather up the laundry from out of the house, and that's it. That's the laundry for the week. The bathroom tub is clean. Sink is pretty clean. I was looking for something in there, so that's why that's open. But actually, the bathtub and the shower are the cleanest places besides the other two toilets. Then you have Apollonia's room. Oh, yeah. There should be like some horror music playing, which is also the guest bedroom. This is why this mattress is here. And there's a cross there because my baby needs Jesus. And so, yeah, this is where she keeps her clothes, which is actually pretty organized. I am impressed a little bit. I'm not going to show you Cynthia's bathroom. I mean, yeah, like I said, the bathrooms are pretty clean. Yeah. Then our bedroom is also not bad at all. These are just some things here that I'm adding to my pile of things that are going to be thrown away. Apollonia likes to play with things that look like food. I started putting up a few Christmas decorations. Our bathroom is also pretty clean, considering that we share a bathroom with Apollonia, and our clothes are also very sort of organized. Okay, so this is the panoramic. Are there any more rooms left? No. Um, Here's where we keep our sheets. Yeah, it could be a little better. We want to make sure that we fold things a lot nicer so they just look more presentable and more wholesome. Shall I go on the veranda and show you what the balconies look like? I don't know why I'm using a British accent, guys. I'm sorry. But basically, that's what we're working with today. This is Nehanda in real life, part 2. The cleaning. My crystal glasses! Give them to me. How did she get those? So this is the balcony. It's freezing. And as you can see, nothing is really growing, so we don't have any de-weeding to do necessarily. We won't be out here very much since it's winter, officially. Yeah, so you get to see the before picture. Today I'm just going to be doing some general cleaning. That means that, I'm just going to do what I always do, which is just clear stuff up and put things kind of sort of away, sweep, and mop. And that in itself can take a couple hours. This new book, The Magic Art of Tidying Up, promises that you only clean up twice a year and only a couple hours at a time. I'm really excited to see if that is even possible. As you can see how big my house is and how much things we have and how many things we have to get rid of. I will see if that is the possibility. So tomorrow everybody's going to be at home. So we're going to have a small planning session. It's, like I said, Christmas time, so there are a lot of parties that we got invited to today and tomorrow. So when those are done and my cousin gets here, then we could start with the real cleaning. But today is just the basic, what I normally would do cleaning. So things like that shelf are not necessarily going to get touched, except maybe for me to put stuff on it. And yeah, like the recycling and all of those things, I'll probably put them away and start the dishwasher and all of those things. So I'll show you some before photos when I am done. So I'll be right back. And I wish it was so easy. It's just click, and then you just, everything just appears magically super clean. So click.